All right, boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math, we're subitizing, which is to identify the number of a group of objects without counting, and to do it quickly. We're going to begin by reading this fun book we've read before. It's a really great book with great illustrations called 10 Birds, and then we're going to subitize together. Let's go. Ten birds were trying to figure out how to get to the other side of the river. Do you see the 10? The one they called Brilliant knew how to cross. Marching, he left 9 behind. Do you see the 9? There he goes, on those stilts. The one they called Quite Advanced engineered her way. Bubbling, she left 8 behind. Do you see the 8? And how many's in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there she goes, through the water. The one they called Magnificent had an idea. Swooshing, he left 7 behind. Do you see the 7? And there he goes. The one they called Shows Great Promise figured it out. Squeaking, she left 6 behind. There's the 6. And how many's in that picture? Can we supersize them? 6. The one they called Extraordinary found a solution. Floating, he left 5 behind. There's the 5. Subitize the 5. There he goes. The one they called Outstanding devised a plan. Launching, she left 4 behind. You see the catapult? It's in the shape of a 4. And it shot her through the air. The one they called Highly Satisfactory had little trouble. Drifting, he left 3 behind. There's the plug, and it's in 3, shape of a 3, and there's 3 birds left behind. The one they called Exceptional thought it was simple. Swinging, she left 2 behind. 1, 2. There's 2. The one they called Remarkable came up with a design. Flapping, he left 1 behind. There he goes. And the one they called Needs Improvement got to the other side just the same, leaving none behind. Do you see the 0? There's the 0. And there he goes. Right across the bridge. And they look back as that last one was coming, and we see the numbers 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. All right, boys and girls, what a great book, huh? Let's go ahead and subitize together. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some sets of dots, and we're going to try to subitize them as quick as we can, okay? So let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you this one right here. How many is this? That's right, that's 9. Okay? How about here? That's right, that's 4. How about here? 1. Very good. How about right here, this side? How many is that? That's 10. Very good. Okay, let's change it and do a different color. How about right here? How many is that? That's 4. How about here? How many is that? That's right, that's 7. How many is this right here? Different arrangement, different color, but that's 4. All right, just a few more. Boys and girls, how many is this right here? That's right, that's 7. How about this? Very good, that's 5. Let's do 2 more. This one. That's right, that's 1. Here we go, last one. Let's change it up a little bit. How about this one? 4. Very good. All right, boys and girls, thank you for reading and subitizing.